Hello everyone, I'm here right now at Premier Inn Barnwood, which is located in Gloucester. I'm here because I'm staying for work. I have a lecture tomorrow, so again I'm gonna do this room tour video so you get to see how it looks like here at the Premier Inn Hotel in Barnwood, which is located in Gloucester. The room is a bit spacious, as you can see, and just like any Premier Inn, the designs have some similarities, but these are the features that I am noticing here. They have a heater as well as an air conditioner in this Premier Inn room, like most Premier Inn rooms usually have it. Some have like a centralized air conditioning. This is the bed that I have right now. And what else do we have here? The TV, flat screen TV, teas and coffees over here. And they have a breakfast. Breakfast starts at 6:30 tomorrow. And I'm gonna show you the menu for the breakfast. It's the menu for the breakfast. It's an unlimited breakfast. So it looks like they have the two options. For me, the company paid for my breakfast, but those are the options that are possible for you. So there's bakery, breads, yogurts, cereals, sliced bread, fruits. You also have some spreads and jams, hot drinks and cold drinks. The menu for the breakfast. So as I said, they have a flat screen TV. There's the painting over there. They have this chair as well. And about the sockets, so let's see the sockets. You can see the charging port there for phones. It's like a USB charging port. Try to look at the socket. I guess the sockets are available here at the desk side, so it's there, the desk side. There's also a socket over here. Yeah, this is a socket over there. And let's look at the teas and coffees. So these are the teas and coffees. So everything is in a sachet. There's a electronic kettle. You have cups, and what else do they have in here? So you have the full-size mirror. So I'm just gonna change the orientation of this. So that's the full-size mirror. Then we have the hair dryer as well. And yeah, hanger for the clothes. And in terms of the bathroom, so you have this wonderful mirror here and some free soap. So the soap for hand wash, and this is the brand of the soap. You also have the body wash here and body wash as well. Yeah, you have a shower, and we have a bathtub. Yeah, so that's the bathroom. In terms of the location, Premier Inn Barnwood, for me to actually get here, I had to book a taxi near the Gloucester station. When you arrive in Gloucester station, there is an Asda just nearby. It's just walking distance. So I went to Asda at first, and they have a phone booth there wherein you could book for a taxi. So I booked a taxi. The total price that I paid for that taxi, I think, was around, I'm not sure, but it looks like it was around £10. But let me check, because I actually forgot how much it cost. I did ask for a receipt. By knowing the price, it helps you determine how far it is. So I paid in total, oh, it's 860 pounds. So that's how far it is. Not that far, just a few minutes. But yeah, that's the location. I think there's a Sainsbury nearby here in this hotel. So if you do want to buy some groceries, you can just visit. I checked it on Google. I think it's around a 7 minutes walk, somewhere like that. But yeah, that's the hotel. I do like this hotel. It's convenient. You know, Premier Inns are hotels that do give you some comfort, and they offer breakfast, buffet breakfast, which is really great, especially if you are here for work. You don't really have time to go out and buy some breakfast, so everything is there for you. And that's my room tour for the Premier Inn Barnwood Hotel here in Gloucester, and thank you very much for watching.